Nice Robus control board wiring step by step, a complete guide. Hello guys, welcome back to Auto Door Surgeon. In today's video, I will show you a complete wiring diagram of a Robus automatic gate control board and how to connect all external accessories step by step. If you are a technician or beginner, this video will help you understand everything clearly, from flashing lights to photocells, push buttons, and key switch wiring. Let's get started. Before starting any wiring, always make sure the power supply is off. Working with live voltage can be dangerous. Double-check all connections before turning the system on. Here you can see the control board. This is the main unit that controls all operations of the automatic gate. On the board we have input terminals, output terminals, LED indicators, programming keys, built-in receiver. Each terminal has a specific function, and today we will connect all external devices step by step. Flashing light connection. First, we connect the flashing light. This light works as a warning signal when the gate is moving. You can see two terminals marked for flash or light. Connect the two wires from the flashing lamp here. If your model includes an antenna or aerial, connect it to improve remote signal range. SCA light or gate status light. Next is the SCA light, which stands for Gate Open Indicator. This is usually a 24V lamp. It shows whether the gate is open or closed. Connect the wires to the SCA terminals. This is optional, but very useful for safety and visibility. Photocell connection. This is one of the most important safety devices, the photocells. We have two parts. TX is transmitter. RX is receiver. The transmitter sends an infrared beam, and the receiver detects it. If something blocks the beam, the gate will stop or reverse. Now, wiring. Supply power to both TX and RX, usually 24 volt. Here we have blue bus system, which power supply, also safety signals, send both in the same wire. The wire should be parallel each sensor. Make sure you connect. This ensures the system is safe. If the connection breaks, the gate will not operate. Stop connector. This is two terminals input for the devices that block or even stop the current maneuver. Contacts like normally closed or normally open or constant resistance devices can be connected through special arrangements on the input. Here you can also connect emergency NC switch. By activating switch, stop the gate. PP connector. This two terminals input for devices that control movement in step-step mode. It is possible to connect normally open switch. By activating the switch door open, if door closed. If door open, then door closing. Open and close connectors. This open connector input for devices that control the opening movement only. It is possible to connect normally open contacts. This close input for devices that control the closing movement only. It is possible to connect normally open contacts. Each button has 2 wires. These buttons allow manual control of the gate without using a remote. This is very important. Always check the wiring diagram and ensure all common wires are correctly connected. Wrong common connections can cause system malfunction. Before powering on, check all wiring. Ensure no loose connections. Then turn on power and test. Open command. Close command. Photocell safety. Flashing light.